Hello, this is James with Scout America, and today we are going to show you how to complete home position on a single axis on the DX200 controller. So first, you're going to want to change the security level to the highest on the DX200, that's safety mode. We're going to go to System Info, then Security. Then you're going to want to hit Select, then hit the down arrow, then hit Select. By default on the DX200 safety mode, password is the 5 key 16 times in a row. After you've completed putting in the 5 key 16 times in a row, you're going to want to press Enter. And then you will see that the password has changed. Next, you're going to want to find the robot icon. Then go to Home Position icon. And then hit Select. So in this case, on our robot, the B-axis does not have any absolute data. So you're going to want to see if you have servo on flashing. In our case, we do not, so we're going to want to hit servo on ready. Now the green light is flashing. You're going to want to pull in the enable switch to the middle position, and then jog the affected axes to where the alignment marks line up. Once you have completed lining up the marks on the robot, you're going to want to be in the middle where the circles are at, where that affected axis is actually highlighted. Then hit Select. Then you'll have this pop-up that says Create Home Position. In this case, you're going to say yes. So if you look over to the third column where it says absolute data for the B-axis, it created the new number. And that will conclude on how to create a single axis home position.